it's Gina with WTI. If you've been worried that replacing the vent fan in your RV is going to be too difficult, then let me set your mind at ease. My husband and I replaced the vent fan in our kitchen area with this amazing one from Kohree. It is 14 inches square and it fit perfectly into the spot we were taking it out of. A few things that you'll need to have in order to complete the job are a pair of wire strippers, a Phillips head screwdriver, preferably in an electric drill, and then just a couple of insulated wire connectors. Installation was so smooth. We simply removed the old fan and then we went ahead and connected those wires with the insulated wire connectors that we had on hand, and everything ran right away and super well. A couple of things about our old fan that I hated were, number one, I couldn't reach the buttons and it didn't have a remote, and number two, I could never get to it to clean it. And this fan comes with a remote in addition to the manual controls on the unit itself. This is so comprehensive to use. You simply press the power button to power on the remote, and then you can use the open lid or closed lid button. And I love that this is a reversible fan, so you can get air out of the RV when it's too hot, or you can get air into the RV if you're wanting to cool down, which I just love. This also has a temperature sensor and a rain sensor. The area that we live in, we often get like surprise showers of rain, and this is so nice because it'll sense that and then automatically close. The fan has 10 speeds and is pretty quiet, so you can get exactly the amount of airflow that you want. I love that I can just pull the screen out and clean it, so I don't have to look at all the debris and dust that gets stuck in there. I feel so spoiled having this new vent fan from Kohree. It has completely exceeded my expectations, and that's my point of view.